Record ang microphone.
Hey guys, welcome
Nawala
back
na. Body's moving. Body's moving.
to our new video. Today,
Uy, ka-move si Body. Dalian
Five
mo.
Nights at Freddy's Doom. So you guys, as you can
Body's moving.
see,
Hurry
Bonnie
up.
was
Oh my God.
literally
Body's...
moving. Literally horrifying. Bonnie is literally gone as we speak. We have no idea.
Body was moving.
Hindi na siguro ilagay.
Wait, are you recording right now?
Yeah, malilip na lang tayo dito sa gilid bakay. Is, what they do? Nandiyan pa rin siya. What the hell is that?
Uy! Walang hiya! Walang hiya!
Ikaw naman pala yun. Akala ko kung ano. Why did you bump into me? That was literally your fault. Oh my god. Yui, nandiyan na ba siya?
Ewan ko, tingnan mo daw, tingnan mo daw.
I literally got French on my right leg. You guys, I literally died.
You died? What do you mean you died?
I died. Yui, papunta siya dyan.
Bye. Rejoin?
I can't, no, I'm spectating you right now. Sige lang, you can do this. Live for... Meron bang battery percentage dyan? Oh my god, you.
He's inside! He's inside! What the hell do I do? Nasa loob lang siya. Camper, walang hiya.
True camper. Speaking of camper, oh my god, gusto mag-feed the facility.
Ano man yun? Nasa loob lang siya. Oh shit.
Antin. The other door! I said the other door!
Oh my god.
It's deadly time, you guys.
It's right there. Oh my god.
Open mo yung other door. Timing meron si... I thought I saw something. Wait, parang may nawala doon. Tingnan mo, girl. Parang may nawala. Sino yun?
So Bonnie.
Why is he so
I'm
fast?
so scared.
Silipin mo daw dyan yun. Nawala
Nandun
si
sa kwarto.
Chika. Nawala si Chika.
Si Chika na si Chika.
They're all dead.
Yung nasa kwarto matulog.
Ka-aesthetic ng graphics ba?
Ano all aesthetic?
What was that? That is actually horrifying. I can see her.
Guys, I can see her. What do I do?
Notre Dame of Mid-Saya College holds
So,
a
like-
special place in our hearts.
Freddy and Bonnie and Chika lang nagagalaw. Oh my god. Bye. Ano? Wala na. Bye-bye.
Wala na
Bye-bye.
Yui, it's over na yun. Wow, that was so anticlimactic. Anticlimactic.
Yeah, no.
That was...
Dapat hinanap muna natin sana yung key before tayo ano. Flee the facility na lang tayo. Mag-flee the facility.
Oh my god, yes. I was actually feeling it. I-upload ko na naman
Gusto mo
to.
mag-flee the facility.
I'm gonna upload this video on YouTube. Just so you guys know. Ay, parang streaming. Even though di naman. Okay. Flee the facility. Ikaw join sa akin.
Ako dyan sa'yo.
Sige, sige. Flee the facility. Okay guys, next game, Flee the Facility, AWS.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording. Say hi to the YouTube video.
Hi, YouTube. As of right now, I am eating pancit. Very tasty. You guys should try it sometime.
You're eating pancit?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, are you seeing this? Wait lang. Nakasar ko pala yung patio. Tapos...
Wait, gusto ko mag-change ng avatar.
Change yung yung thingy thing. You
Ay,
are
sige.
a serv... Oh no, ikaw ang beast? That's crazy.
Di pa lagi available yung ibang yung ibang special power. Ilang years na yan ba? Ayoko dito. Ayoko maging beast sa kalagot. I forgot how the go. I forgot how the maps are. I absolutely hate this one. Itong library.
Hold on. I'm like connecting a mouse. Kinakonect ko pa yung mouse ko sa PC. What's that?
Lower ko na yung graphics ko. Kasi ang lag. Okay, there you go. Okay na.
I think I should. There we go. Okay, lower ko na din ako. I just go there.
Nag-lag ako to lower it. Saan ka?
Secret. Needs to better trick than that.
Sino kasama mo?
Wala. Sarot. You did not. Just harm
I got someone.
a fellow citizen, a fellow Robloxian. Capture.
I see you, bitch.
That is so horrifying, actually. Especially because wala ko marinig yun.
Dali, dito makalagot ka!
That was actually so horrifying.
I got her. Kala mo lang. Kala mo lang?
Ano ba na-capture? Ay.
She left. Wow.
Wow. That is insane.
Wow. She left.
Level 13 ka
Ay,
pa.
nice. Oo, bakit? Level 16 ka lang man, small difference.
Okay.
Xylus, where are you, Xylus? I'm going to touch you.
Ew. That's crazy.
I'm going to
That's
touch you. Where are you?
Gaddafi behavior.
Autistic.
Oh my god.
Xylus, I'm going to touch you. Where are you?
In our Whoa, what was that?
Sino yun? Who was that? I'm coming.
Oh,
I'm going to touch you.
That doesn't
Who
sound...
was that? I'm going to touch you. Sino nandito? Who was here? Who was here?
Helmet times are like or...
I'm going to touch you all. Where are you?
Naka-black pa naman ako. So, it's like, I'm blending in with the environment.
Ano yun?
Or,
I heard something. I heard it.
you heard it? You heard it.
Ayaw ko talagang beast to kalagot.
Bitaw, no. This is actually so horrifying, you guys.
Ano ba, dali lang gud ikaw ma-juke if beast ka?
Ako or ikaw?
If, tayo. I mean, ikaw, madali ka lang ba ma-juke?
Ako?
Yeah?
Hindi. Ewan ko lang. Depende lang sa
Eme.
tao.
Saan kayo? Where are you? I'm going to touch you all.
That is so suspicious.
Katahimik ko lang.
Lood, sino man yun?
Ikaw yun, no? That was you, wasn't it?
Paano mo nasabi?
Wala.
Oops.
Sino kaya yun?
That was my bad.
Ano? Sino kaya yun? Where are you? Alam ko ikaw yun. I know that was there. I hear you. Ano to? Sige, chat. Uy. Where are you? Where are you? Hoy, di ko kayo makita. Saan kayo ba?
Tayo lang pala tatlo na iwan dito, no?
Nag-leave ka na yung babae.
Gani, kayo sa babae, di siya marunong.
Eh, galing daw ako masyado.
Hehe. Yes!
Saan ka? Did you know? Alam ko kung saan yung last computer.
What if wala pala dalawang computer?
Zylas, basan ka. I'm coming.
You're coming?
I'm coming. Alam ko kung saan ka.
This is so funny. Mas makita mo lang ang screen record.
What do you mean?
I-post ko sa YouTube.
YouTube, wow. Ilan views?
Public, tapos 1 mil.
Public. Sige. Bigyan mo ako ng ano ha. Tag mo ako.
Saan? Oh my God.
Kita-kita, Max. Kala mo lang.
Oh, Normax.
Max, I see you. I saw you go under there. Nandito lang yung dalawa na iwan.
Maubusan talaga tayo ng oras dito ba?
Maubusan talaga kayo ng oras. Sige, sige. Sige na, go na. Go for it. What are you guys waiting for? What are you guys waiting for? Go for it. Sige na. Ay, ano man to? Are you guys still hiding? Why did not close? No one was here. Alam ko. Why did not close? Someone was there. Kala niyo lang? Ano man yan, katago lang man kayo.
Hanapin mo kami.
Bala ka. Alam ko sa'yo dalawang computer. If you wanna get to it, you gotta go.
What if Marian palang pangatlo?
What if?
What if Marian palang pangatlo?
Bantay ka lang.
Good.
Saan ka? Where are you? I know you're here somewhere. Ayaw ko talaga ito na map. It's so confusing. Di ko pa siya na-memorize.
Ito no, grabe niya ka-messy, grabe ka gubot. Bakit ganyan ka dumi ang library? Like, what happened here?
Ba't ito naka-close? Guys. Guys, ba't yung naka-close? Guys. I know you're here.
Tapos mag-yellow.
Zaydas ba? Mga lang hiya.
Like, what if my third computer?
What if na ay third computer? I know kung saan kayo. I'm coming for you all. Ayoko nag-beast, oy. Kayo na. Ayoko na dito. Sige. Congratulations.
Let's play another game. Hala, kadami ko laging mga credits. Ngayon ko lang yung nalaman.
Ayan.
759. Pero naunti na lagi yung mga crates. Tira mo, good. Unti na yung mga crates.
Lang, let me see.
Series 1.
How do you check the crates again?
Shop.
Hindi ko kitang shop. Walang shop sa akin.
Ay, menu, tapos shop.
Walang menu sa akin.
Sure. So, what ng spectate?
Walang spectate.
What the hell? Ano nakikita mo?
Wala lang.
That's crazy.
May lang. Feel ko dito per konti lang tao. Konti lang tao dito. Mag-change ako ng avatar.
Sige.
Join tayo sa may